Hey guys, the video for Wally's Batman Ra's al Ghul, whatever the hell book this is. That one, 232. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Down here to the bottom. 7:25. Current local time, 7:25. Come on, 7:25. 7:25. Really? Are we gonna do this right now? 7:26. Okay. All right. Live. Let me get my list. All right. 37 names. Copy. Already did another time check. 7:26. Over here. New giveaway. Wally Batman 232. The list. Alright. Done. Check the list. $37. There you go. Roll dice, 3 dice, 10. Alright. Getting the giveaway, yes. Here we go. First one. Timestamp, whatever fucking time zone that is. 27. Alright. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And your winner, 28, Mr. J. Spot number 28, Mr. J. Congratulations, you are the winner. Alright. Make sure you shoot a message to Wally once you've seen the results. Get my code. Copy. Go back up. Once again, spot 28, Mr. J. 7:27. 7:27. Go back over here. 7:28. 7:28. Come on, Facebook. Back down here. Done. Congrats, guys. Winner, PM Wally. And that's it. Thanks. Come on. There we go.